Hello, welcome to the channel. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I hope this video finds you well. So today, on the road right now over to Gulf Shores, Alabama. Got a pontoon boat, a dual tune that we're going to be working on. And it's going to be about a day and a half, 2-day job. And we're on the road right now. We're headed to Gulf Shores, Alabama. Alright, so just got here to Gulf Shores, just waiting on a few folks to get here, and gonna get this boat pulled out from the garage that's behind me. And can't ask for a more beautiful day. It's absolutely gorgeous outside. The boat's already been pre-prepped, it's already been washed, and just got to pull it out. Once we pull it out, we're gonna get into the sunshine. We're gonna get some work going here. All right, so I'm about to get rock and rolling on this section. Already polished this other section over here, which y'all have not seen yet. And it's a process. It's a lot of hard work, but first thing I'm gonna do is get some new metal exposed. It's a multi-step process. So let's go. Let's rock it out. right, so taking a break right now. Just got finished doing primary cut all the way down. Got finished doing that. Biggest key thing is just, you know, with this job, there's no rushing it. It's just section by section by section. Cutting here, 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 here. And it's a process. So right now, taking a break, taking a 15-minute break. This took about 2 hours to do, as far as both of these sections here, from bead to bead, and did a little bit of the front up there, working on the other side as well. So yeah, it's a process. So it's already looking good. We already have a reflection, but the thing is that we have sections. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna tie all this in, and with the next step, and then the next step after that, and the next step after that, and it's gonna look great. So it's cloudy. Clouds are kind of over the top of us right now. So it's desirable right now with the weather being the way that it is right now. So definitely starting to come along. So let's keep on rocking. Okay, so we just wrapped up on that pontoon boat today. It turned out absolutely exquisite. If you're interested in getting any kind of automotive or aviation detailing services, dig rig polishing, aluminum polishing, and refinishing. If you're a fire department, government entity, private person, give us a call. Also, movie and picture car detailing and sourcing. Any of our services, please give us a call. 800-292-2341. That's 800-292-2341. Or exquisitemad.com. Also want to talk to you all for a minute about our merchandise, which, as you can see, we have urban clothing, we have stuff for men and women, and also kids. We also have wall canvas art, we have bedspreads, pillow shams, shower curtains, desk calendars, wall calendars, and more. So check that out at exquisitemad-store.com or exquisitemad.com. Click on store, and it'll take you right there. We have a lot of awesome stuff. Before I go, appreciate you watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications of videos just like this.